Hi friend, how are you all? I hope you're doing great and learning this language great way. So friend, in this video I am going to talking about only by using social media can we speak this language. So watch this video till the very end because it's a very important. Okay, when we are beginner at the time no one tell us that what we do and we doing so much mistake. That's why you watch this video till the very end because this video is very important for you. I'm not giving you any kind of speech. I am here because I'm helping you. Okay friend. So if you have mobile phone, so this is enough to learn anything. Okay. Don't think that if I'm going to big city and I'm join coaching classes then I'm speak this language. No friend, if you using your social media in a good way so you can do as you can. Okay, so if you think that I am learn this language and I am get fluency but I don't have in environment, so how I'm learn this language? So your mobile phone help you lot. Okay, in my case also I don't have anything to learn this language. I don't have English partner, I don't have environment, and I'm not join any kind of coaching classes to learn this language. But now I'm still speak this language. Okay, and I'm learn this language. So you can also speak this language. So how you use your social media in a good way? So first of all, if you watching so many video in a day, so how you watch? First thing is that use your mobile phone in a productive way. Second thing is that if you watch any kind of content, so you can watch only English. Okay, convert everything in English. Whatever, whenever you open your mobile phone, every content when you seen in English. So if you doing daily basis, so your mind convert slowly in English. And our biggest problem is that when we are learn this language and we try to think in English but we couldn't. Why? Because our thinking not convert. So if we speak our native language 24/7 and suddenly we think that I am speaking English, so it's not possible. Everything whenever we do, it's a slowly. Okay, so don't think that I'm convert my thinking in a 5 days 10 days. It's not possible. So first, if you see every content in English, so your thinking automatically convert in English. It's happening with me. That's why I'm telling you that when I was beginner I'm thinking that why I'm not thinking in English. Sometimes think that I'm thinking in English and first I'm think then I may speak, and whatever people asking me I'm thinking English. But 5-10 minutes I'm thinking English, then I'm automatically thinking in my native language. Why? Because don't force your mind. If you force, you are not learn this language. Talking about my case, so nowadays automatically my thinking convert in English. When if I'm thinking Hindi, so suddenly I'm thinking in English and I don't understand what was happening with me, but it's possible. So if you force your mind, so it's not happening. Okay, everything converting it automatically, but first of all you work on that. Okay, whatever you do, you work, and don't think that I'm master in 1 month 2 months. Everything whatever we do, it's take time, and slowly we learn this language. Suddenly we are not realize, but after 6 months 1 year, when we see improvement, then we are realize that yes, we still improve. So whenever we do, don't think that I'm doing suddenly. Okay, and if you watch any social media, so don't think that I'm watching first time one video and then I'm jump in second video. Don't try to. Okay, whatever you watch in three time, it's a very important. And if you not understand, so first you read and then take pause. And if you not understand particular word, so you can find that word meaning, that what is the meaning of this word. Okay, and if you read any kind of book, so read one page three times. Okay, if you read like this, so word stuck on your mind. If you think that 24/7 I'm watching English content, so I'm getting bored, I'm not telling that you watch boring video. Watch in your interest. What is your interest? If you interested in reels, you watch reel every time. So you every reel you watch in English. So much content available on social media. Okay, and watch in your based on your interest. Okay, so many content available on social media. So if you use social media in a productive way, so it's gonna help you so much. It's happening with me. Whatever I watch in my mobile phone, when I switch on my mobile, so every content in English. Why? I'm not think that if I'm watching like funny video, yeah, vlogging video, if whatever I watch in my interest. Okay, so if you watch like this, so you are not getting bored and your practice also run. At that time you are not understand, but sometime some days after you realize that yes, I'm improved in this language. Okay friend, so don't take seriously. Okay, don't learn like a subject, it's a language. And if you learn like a language, so this is very easy for you. So I hope you guys like this video. If you, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.